Thank you very much, everyone. Like Admiral said, we're Team FlashCube. I'd like to thank you all for coming and taking time out. It really means a lot to us. I know the group before us and ourselves have put so much into these projects, so thank you very much for coming out to see us. I want to talk to you all a little bit about applications and how we sort of use them in day-to-day life. We all use them day to day, like whether we like it or not. We use them to help us out with day-to-day tasks. We use them to help us do tasks more quickly, to be more productive. We use apps to entertain ourselves. But I think perhaps the most they've got an ability to take something that's quite ordinary and make it interesting. With that in mind, and with that brief interruption, any teacher will tell you that the ability to make a topic and make it come alive to the student is critical to making effective learning. Once that's achieved, learning doesn't feel like a chore, and it's enjoyable, and that's where we see the best outcomes in a learning setting. With that in mind, we considered the way in which we could make an app that would reflect that and bring that into an application to show to you all today. We considered the use of flashcards. A lot of people use flashcards when they're learning something new, whether it's like taking a test, learning a new language. We're aware that obviously there's a number of applications that are out there at the moment that let you use flashcards to learn with. We thought we'd take that on, step that up a level and make it a more immersive and enjoyable learning experience. So we've used virtual reality and also augmented reality to try and deliver that for you today. So with that said, I'd like to show you all FlashCube. We're all really proud of this, so I hope you enjoy it.
So this is the learning part of the application. So with this being on Windows, we've got mouse look and keyboard controls. So there was a guy speaking before, I don't know who that is though, but we can find out. And who's the other fella? Let's go for that. Let's have another look. I'd stay away from him, if I'm honest. Oh, the background's popped in. And we can refresh those, get a new lot of people. I've seen this guy around, but I'm not sure what he does. I don't know either. And then we can turn around to the quiz part. So have we left, centre or right, everyone?
Right.
Oh!
Fail.
That's a bad last day for you. Oh, Johnny Unknown, we know this one. That's him. Yeah. And there we go. So that's the quizzing part of the application. Now I'm going to hand over to Romy.
So what you do is you take the cube, and once it starts tracking, it shows you the range of all of the different topics. Again, my camera is really old, so the tracking is a bit slow on it. You have to be gentle. But yeah, you can choose any one of the topics that are on the cubes to do your flashcard quiz with. So we can choose Dexter. And by holding it within a certain rotation, it recognises it as a button and that you've chosen that subject, and then refreshes all of the slides to the chosen subject.